Good evening, all of you. We could complete our 6-day faculty development program on empowering educators with next-gen computing, artificial intelligence, supercomputing, and data science. It's the time for the formal valedictory session. I invite Dr. Mohammad Keke, Principal of Majlis College Autonomous and the Coordinator of Atal FDP on Next Gen Computing. With due respect, I invite Dr. Mohammad Keke sir for the welcome address. Sir, please.
Okay, am I audible? I think so.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, good evening. Respected Chief Guest of the day, Professor Dr. Raj Kumar, my dear participants of the program, my dear colleagues, once again, good morning, good evening to you all. Thus, we have successfully completed the 6 days Adal FDP organized by the Computer Science Department of Majlis Arts and Science College, Autonomous. This is the valedictory session of the program. At this juncture, I appreciate the Computer Science Department for organizing such a wonderful program. Especially, I appreciate the co-coordinator, Professor Rafiq and Chitra Madam for their effective coordination and efficient conduct of the program. I also appreciate all the participants who have taken painstaking efforts for participating in the program. Actually, they have sacrificed their evenings and were busy and engaged in the tight schedule of the program after their daily routine work. Thank you, participants, and appreciate you. We have tried our best to select and engage the best resource persons in each session. Hope that the evenings of these 6 days or the time spent you in the program was beneficial to you, useful to you, or you have gained from it. If so, we are blessed and it will encourage and motivate or inspire us to undertake more such programs. I also appreciate AICTE for accepting our application to conduct such a program and all faculty members in the Majlis for acting as a team. Actually, we call Team Majlis for successful conduct of the program. I also appreciate management for extending all support and help. I also appreciate Professor Dr. Raj Kumar for joining with us to deliver valedictory address. I am not prolonging my words. Once again, I appreciate all and request Professor Rafiq for submission of a brief report of the program. Thank you. Rafiq sir? Hello?
Sir.
Rafiq sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Here I am presenting the brief report of 6-day faculty development program on empowering educators with next-gen computing, artificial intelligence, supercomputing, and data science. We could start the 6-day online faculty development program on 24th November 2025, 6 p.m. online mode. And the Vice Chancellor of the University of Calicut, Dr. P. Ravindran, sir, inaugurated the 6-day online FDP with the gracious presence of the syndicate member and the manager of Majlis College, director of the college, academic board chairman, and the coordinator of the program. Actually, 200 participants successfully completed the FDP of the online 6 days FDP. On 24th, we were having two sessions. The first session was handled by Dr. Shailesh Shivan. He was talking on bridging the gap, integrating next-gen computing into curriculum. He was having a talk on next-gen computing and how we can integrate the next-gen computing aspects, cloud computing, data science, and blockchain technology into the curriculum of the UG and PG, especially not only limited to the UG, PG, and the higher education sector. The second session was dealt by Dr. E.J. Thompson Frederick. He was the professor, Department of Computer Technology, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore. He was dealing the session Neurofuzzy approaches of for time series prediction and forecasting. The session was interesting, and teachers could understand how the time series prediction is useful for teaching the higher education students. On the second day, it was on 25th 11 2025, there was two sessions. The first session was dealt by Dr. Srinu. She is the assistant professor and assistant HOD, Department of Cybersecurity, Muthoot Institute of Technology and Science, Autonomous, Kochi. She was dealing the topic Foundations of Machine Learning and Deep Learning. Participants were able to understand the basic concepts of machine learning and deep learning and how this machine learning is useful in the higher education sector and how it can be implemented in the higher education learning. Then the next session, session 4, was dealt by a person, a well-known personality from industry, Mr. Dilip. He is the Chief Technology Officer, One Team Solutions Private Limited. Actually, Dr. Srinu was giving the theoretical aspects of machine learning and deep learning. Mr. Dilip was actually showing the practical aspects of this ML and DL. He was giving a hands-on and training by using Python for giving a deep understanding of ML and DL, and also shown the practical applications of ML and DL. On the day 3, session 5, there was an extraordinary session by Dr. Rashmi P. She is the Senior Project Engineer, Research, Center for Excellence in Advanced Transportation, IIT Kharagpur. Dr. Rashmi was explaining on artificial intelligence on the road, its opportunities and challenges in autonomous driving. She was talking on bringing the issues related with autonomous driving and the possibilities that is open before these autonomous driving and the research capacities which were there in autonomous driving. That was an excellent presentation. And during session 6, Dr. Amir Salman OM, He is the assistant professor and head Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Farouk College Autonomous. Dr. Amir Salman was actually presenting an extraordinary session on AI tools for academic research. AI tool, he actually given an insightful talk on what are the AI tools which are used for the academic research. He actually given uh, practical explanation of how these AI tools being used for researchers in social sciences and sciences as well. Then on the day 4, it was day 4, the first session, that was the 7th session, was dealt by Dr. K. Devasenapati. He is the Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, uh, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore. In his session, Dr. Senapati was talking on the tools and resources for teaching data science. How data science is being taught, and he was talking on various tools which may be used for effectively teaching the data science in higher education sector. Then section I was to there was a session on 20, 27th 11 2025 by Dr. Muhammad Anis. He is a technical delivery manager, Fixed Dynamics Private Limited, Cochin. He was talking on generative AI and its applications. He was also a faculty, he was also a member from industry, and had an insightful talk on generative AI. Then in session 9, there was a talk on understanding and mitigating bias in AI models, a technical and ethical perspective. The session was dealt by Dr. Sheena, an assistant professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, College of Engineering and Management, Punapra. She was talking on the philosophical side of AI and its bias perspective, etc. That was a wonderful presentation. In session 10, from waveforms to wisdom, ML techniques for audio signal analysis. That was a session conducted by Mr. Jafsir Keti. He is the lead engineer, data science, Saskin Technologies Limited, Chennai. Uh, that was an excellent presentation. That Mr. Jafsir also a person from industry. On day 6, 29th 11 2025, session 11 by again Dr. Amir Salman OM. He is, as I already told you, Amir Salman is a faculty member, is the head of the Department of Mass Communication for a college autonomous. He was again giving the practical modalities of next-gen teacher communication. He also introduces some software techniques and software tools which can be used for interactive teaching learning process. He actually coined the term Gen Z teaching, because the students in front of us are majority of them are Gen Z now. So he presented how this Gen Z is being catered in classrooms. So that was an excellent presentation by Dr. Amir Salman. Again, in the session 12th, that was an international presentation by Dr. Alavi Kunyu Pandakan. He is the Associate Professor, College of Engineering and Information Technology, University of Dubai, UAE. Mr. Pandakan was presenting a topic on robot-assisted learning. It is the era of robots, and even in some of our colleges having robots for learning assistance. He clearly pointed out what are the possibilities of robot assisted learning, what are the possibilities of robots what are the capacities of robots in higher education learning. That was a very good presentation. Even though he was in a traveling, he could manage the session wonderfully. Thank you, Dr. Pantakan, sir. And the last session was interactive classrooms and AI. That was also an international presentation that was by Dr. Abdul Jabbar P. He is the assistant professor, graduate school, Stanford International University, Bangkok, Thailand. Uh, he was talking on interactive classrooms. What are the techniques used for interactive classrooms by using AI? All these been discussed by Dr. Jabbar. It was also a nice presentation. That is about the that's all about the 13 sessions. I would like at the outset I would like to congratulate all the participants for the takeaways in these from these 13 sessions. With this I conclude my report presentation. Thank you. Jai Hind. Next, let me invite for the valedictory address, we have a chief guest today, Professor Rajkumar sir. He's a professor in Department of Information Technology, University of Kannur, Kerala. With great respect on behalf of Majlis College and behalf of the AICTE, let me invite uh, Professor Dr. Rajkumar sir for the valedictory address. Sir, please.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, sir, you are audible.
Audible, okay, okay. First, I will congratulate the team members of Majlis Arts and Science College for inviting me for the valedictory function, especially the principal, respected principal, Dr. Mohammad Kutti, Kiki, and other respected dignitaries present online and all the participants. At the outset, I would like to appreciate the team of Majlis Arts and Science College for organizing 6 days faculty development program on empowering educators with next-gen computing, artificial intelligence, supercomputing, and data science under the sponsorship of AICTE Training and Learning Academy. Further, I also congratulate all the participants who attended this FDP with the aim of enhance the quality of education by incorporating the cutting edge technologies discussed by the different experts from the different eh, regions of the country as well as the foreign during these 6 days program. Actually, the main intention of Adal Academy of this program, FDP program, is to impart emerging and advanced technologies in the academic curriculum of the new generation courses that lead the future generation to change the nature of role in the job market for every domain. Actually, the cutting edge technology is the most advanced and innovative technology currently being developed or used. These technologies represent latest progress in science, engineering, and computing, often offering better performance, efficiency, and capabilities than existing solutions to the problem. The technologies such as already I mentioned the AI and the supercomputing and data science, apart from these two, quantum computing, blockchain technology, augmented and virtual reality, robotics and automation, 5G and 6G communication technology, biotechnology, etc., are all well can be utilized effectively in the academic curriculum to improve the efficiency, performance, and productivity of solving complex problems so that we can enhance the quality of life and create a new era in industries and job roles that drives innovation and modernization. Further, cutting edge technology is the emerging advancement in computer system architecture, and processing models that go beyond traditional computing methods used today. It focuses on making computing systems faster, more intelligent, energy efficient, scalable, and capable of solving complex problems that the classical computer could not do. The key technology behind next generation computing comprises quantum computing, neuromorphic computing, cloud and distributed computing with AI powered system. I think through this workshop, most of you made aware about the latest cutting edge technologies introduced systematically by this FDP with excellent experts in each domain. My advice is to explore more about these technologies and try to include all these possibilities in your academic and research activities so that we can build our nation with academically talented young communities. Those can make wonders across the globe to combat with the challenges that we are going to face in the coming years or next century. By these words, I conclude my speech. So once again, I wish all the best to all of you and wish us a very good future in coming academic path with wish and wishes. Good evening, each of you. Thank you.
Now is the time for feedback. Anybody from the audience can unmute and share your feedback on FDP.
Hello,
Good
am I
evening, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Very good evening all. So I'm Atal. I have been participating this FDP for the last 6 days. I'm very happy to say that the AICTE and Majlis College jointly organized the 6-day FDP. That's a wonderful job that you people have done. Let me point out that the resource person and the titles that you have chosen is wonderful, especially Dr. Rashmi, Dr. Amir Salman. They wonderfully presented the need of technology in this time, and all the titles were very helpful, and it's aligned with the need of modern higher education. So I'm very happy to be a part of this faculty development program. Thank you, the organizers. So I am expecting more faculty development program like this in future with this type of titles. The technologies, artificial intelligence, data science. So in the future, all these things will be helping in the teaching field also. So I'm expecting a more wonderful session like this. And thank you, organizers. Once again, thank you.
Anybody else?
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
So happy to be the part of these FTV as a faculty member of uh, the Department of Computer Science, Majlis Arts and Science College, and thanks to our beloved principal sir and the management and all the organizers work behind the FTP program. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Good evening.
Very good. Very good, sir.
Myself, Dr. Mohammad Nasiruddin from Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. Yes, it is a great time that we have spent from last 6 days with this FDP. great topics, great experts with lot of efforts that are taken by the experts as well. No doubt the team Majlis. We have learned so many things. The new things are uh, in picture with us. And thanks a lot for the informative sessions and great support from the team. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, Dr. Muhammad Nasiruddin, sir, for your kind words.
It's a pleasure, sir.
Anybody else? Since we are running out of time, we are just moving to the official vote of thanks. Let me invite Ma'am Chitira, who is actually the all in all of this FTP. She was working hard for the last 20 days for the successful conduct of this FTP. I'm getting no words to appreciate the effort of Chitra ma'am, because for the last 6 days, it's a true fact that she was even having no sleep. She has been continuously working for the success of this program. Definitely, I would like to extend a big thanks to Chitra ma'am for this kind of hard work. I really appreciate, as a co-coordinator and IQC coordinator of this college, I really appreciate your effort, madam. Chitra ma'am, I would like to invite for the official vote of thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, Rafiq sir. A very good evening to all. Respected Principal, Dr. Muhammad Kutti KK, Director Nausha sir, IQAC Coordinator Mr. Rafiq sir, Professor Dr. Rajkumar sir, and all other dignitaries. Today marks the conclusion of our 6-day faculty development program organized by the Department of Computer Science, Majlis Arts and Science College Autonomous, sponsored by AICTE. Over the past 6 days, we have explored 13 diverse topics related to machine learning, deep learning, and data science. All our resource persons are highly proficient in their respective fields, and each session was delivered marvelously. The topics covered were both informative and valuable to all faculty members. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science, Majlis Arts and Science College Autonomous, it is my honor to deliver the vote of thanks at the conclusion of this 6-day online Atal FTP. First and foremost, we express our sincere gratitude to our respectful principal, Dr. Muhammad Kutti KK, for his constant support and guidance. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. P. Ravindran, for inaugurating this program, and to Professor Dr. Rajkumar sir for delivering the valedictory address. We are grateful to our Majlis management, Director Nausha sir and Dr. Muhammad Ali sir for their continuous encouragement and support. We express our deep appreciation to AICTE and the Adal Academy for granting us the opportunity to organize this FDP. Our sincere thanks to our HOD of the department, Mr. Ajay Kumar Yu, for his support throughout the program. We also extend our gratitude to all HODs of departments, program committee members, and Mr. Ali Moidu sir for their cooperation and active involvement. We are especially grateful to our distinguished resource persons for their insightful and enriching sessions. Dr. Shailesh Shivan, Dr. E.J. Thompson Frederick, Dr. Srinu G, Mr. Dilip G, Dr. Rashmi P, Dr. Amir Salman OM, Dr. K. Dev Senapati, Dr. Muhammad Anis, Dr. Sheena N, Mr. Jafsir KT, Dr. Alavi Kunyupi, and Dr. Abdul Jabbar P. My sincere appreciation also goes to the coordinators and rapporteurs of this FDP for their dedicated efforts in ensuring the smooth conduct of every session. Finally, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all participants for their active engagement and cooperation throughout these 6 days. Your involvement has been instrumental in the success of this program. Thank you all once again for contributing to the success of this FDP. Thank you.
Thank you all. Jai Hind.